Hi everyone, it's Susie. Thank you for being here today. Hope everyone's having a great day. So I'm going to do a cloud pour, and I've got a bunch of different colors. So all these colors that I just had sitting around that need to get used. So I have yellow, orange, gold, and I have some of this Egotistical that I want to put at the bottom. This is color changing pigment, and it is so beautiful when it gets like cells in it. It looks like little galaxies, and it glows at night and puts on a 3D show. So I'm going to put a little yellow on top of this Egotistical, and then a little bit of gold, and then a little bit of this orange here. It's orange red. Pretty cool color. Then I'm going to put, I've got all these different colors. I've got some of this dark blue we'll put in. And then I'm going to add some pearl mix. And then I'm going to put some of this violet, and then some of this darker violet, and gotta put yellow, but I don't think I can put that by violet. Let's see, what can I put yellow by? I'm gonna put some black, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of which one? Purple. Then I'm going to put some more of the cloud mix. And some of this yellow. I haven't used enough of that yet. And then some of the orange. Orange is red, actually. And then some of the violet again, and some of this blue, and then some more of the black, and I think I'll have enough for the painting. So I'm going to put the pillow down, and this is what I'm using for the pillow. It's just a mixture of a bunch of different leftover paints. I want it to be in the center. Okay. And then I'm going to start pouring. this around a little bit, get it moving, try to get it even on the canvas. All right, that's about how I want it. Oh my God, I think this is going to be pretty. Looks like it's turning out to be a beautiful one. Now I'm going to put a little bit more pillow down. I don't really have much pillow. Let's see, I'll use some black. Here we go. This is the middle. This is all the egotistical. And then the yellow came behind it, and that orange. And you got these little clouds with dark tips, lavender throughout, and some blue. Looks like some of the reddish colors in there too. This is the side here. So much translucency in these white clouds. It's beautiful. And up here you got the blue mixed in. And oh, it's so pretty. And here you get more of the blue at that tip. And then the violets mixed in with it. Oh, and then you got this starlight blue mixed in. I mixed it with a few different shades of blue. Starlight blue mixed in with some phthalo blue. And it may have been another different kind of blue in there too. I'm not really sure.